Hello, this is Jeffrey, and today we're going to take a look at the Bell & Howell Autoload 670 XL movie camera. Now, this movie camera is from 1974, and I'm going to take a look at mainly the aesthetics of this camera because it's very 1970s-ish. It's black with lots of chrome on it. So let's take a closer look at this camera. Now, as you can see in the front of the camera, there's a lot of chrome here, a lot of polished chrome. And the nameplate above it, Bell & Howell, is in polished silver as well on a black textured nameplate. Now, on the right side, you can see that it flares out. The design of the camera flares out a bit. And that is for the viewfinder. The viewfinder goes from one end of the camera to the other, lengthwise, in that flared section. So let's take a look at the side of the camera. So on this side of the camera, it's mostly plastic. It's mostly black textured plastic. The main design element here is in that flare, where it says Bell & Howell Autoload 670 XL. Now, that is fluted. That whole panel is fluted. And it's framed in a silver, polished silver outline. And as you can see on the right, all the way on the other end of the camera, is the viewfinder. There are also some controls on this camera, on this side of the camera, that the on and off switch, there's a test button, and there's a gauge that shows you how much film has been used. So let's take a look at the back of the camera. So the back is very, very simple. There's not much to it except for that round viewfinder and the hinge where the camera opens for the film cartridge. The other side of the camera, lengthwise, well, there's not much there. There's just the door, which hinges open for the film cartridge, and there's the release button. There's also a Bell & Howell symbol next to the release button. And there's another control above it. I'm not too sure what that is, but it's on the top front part with that yellow symbol. So this camera is a very interesting study in industrial design. At least I think so. It's somewhat typical of its time. It has a lot of futuristic elements to it. It's flashy. It has a lot of chrome. The typeface of Bell & Howell Autoload, as you can see on the side, is a bit, futuristic, a bit modern. Unfortunately, it has, more than one type of font on it. It would have been nicer if the 670/XL would have been done in the same font as Bell & Howell, but that's a minor point here. It's, as I said, it's a very nice camera. It does have some good weight to it. It's not a very lightweight camera. And so I really think that this is a very nice piece to have in a collection to put on display, since the black and the chrome are very opposite of one another. So it's a bit unusual. The shape is a bit unusual, of course. And so I hope you enjoyed this video and have a very nice day.